All right, so you see me up here in the little corner. This is Access HRA New York City SNAP Benefits application process. They closed my case down 2 times. For what reason? They claim I was in another state because I just had left Miami Beach last year. My case in Miami Beach, according to their documents, Miami Beach documents, it was closed in March of 2024. I came to New York City in February of 2025. That means my case was closed. I opened up my case here in New York City. After 3 months of being open, they closed it, saying I was in another state or had another case open. So they closed it. I reopened it, explaining to them everything. They reopened it. It lasted for another 3 months, and guess what? They closed it again for the same reasons again. So I was like, oh, here we go again, right? And so they, sorry, they fixed the problem. They fixed the situation. My case was open again. Another 3 months go by, and guess what? They closed my case again, saying I had another case open and da 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 da. So now I had to reapply because it's always been that way. Anytime staff members at HRA fuck up, they always blame the applicant. Under this new rule, it's not really a new rule, but under this new rule under the Trump administration for SNAP benefit applicants is if there is a delay or if your staff members are the ones who are actually causing the delay or causing the discrepancy. It's kind of like a courtroom where you're going to get blamed for their mistake and then they're going to cut you off, close your case and everything. That's the new rule. So when they fuck up, you get blamed for it. That's retarded because I'm a welfare baby. My mom's had me on welfare all my life. I worked, yeah, but I'm just saying most of my life I've been on welfare. Times I haven't had a job, I had to go resort to welfare assistance. So I know this completely. It's a bunch of bullshit. Anyway, back to this. Welcome to Access HRA Isaias, right? Now look how many times I applied because the last time I applied was November 17 of 2025. Is when they gave me emergency cash food stamps. They didn't even give me cash. They just gave me food stamps. And of course, that was November 17. It's January 21st, 2026. And I haven't received anything else. Everything is, oh, you gotta wait 30 days. Oh, you gotta wait 2 more days. Oh, you gotta wait 45 days. Oh, you gotta wait 60 days. Still waiting. So I reapplied. You submitted cash assistance application January 7th, 2026. You submitted cash assistance application January 11th, 2026. You submitted cash assistance application January 16th, 2026. You submitted a cash assistance application on 1/20/26. You submitted a cash assistance application on 1/20/26. You submitted a cash assistance application on 1/20/26. You submitted a SNAPS application on 1/16/26. All these are in green because that means I applied for them. I have gotten nowhere. Here you go again. Cash assistance, application received. 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 Cash assistance, one-time payment. That's the November 17, 2025 payment, the one and only payment that they gave me. It goes all the time, stuff's been rejected. And I can't move on with my city fed housing voucher. I can't move on with filing a lawsuit because the new NYPD broke my wrist and I can't file a lawsuit without this budget letter from HRA. I can't do nothing. I can't leave the shelter. I have no money for food. I can't go look for work because I have no Metro cards and I'm giving out Metro cards no more. I already got a ticket for hopping a train, so I'm not gonna go back out there and hop that train. I have no money for food. All these places talk about jobs. Nobody's fucking giving out jobs. They're just sending you in circles and circles and circles, and everybody's going to the same bullshit jobs because they're bullshit fucking jobs. So anyway, Access HRA. So now let's go over here to, if I could get back to the main menu, huh? let's go down here. I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom. No, let's not do that. Let's go here and let's go home. Oh, I feel like I'm lost now. Appointments. Past appointments. Like, this application just makes no sense at all. But what I'm looking for is home. So I can just basically show you what I have to do here. If I can get to it. Okay, there you go. That's what I was trying to do. Oh my God. Let's go to appointments. So you're submitting your cash assistance application. You're not done yet. Call to have your, this was January 2026. January 16, 2026. January 26, 2026. This means please use HRA mobile app to upload your documents, right? I already did that. You're not done yet. Call this number to have your interview required. Now, I received a letter from HRA and SNAP Benefits saying I never called them. Bullshit lie. Again, when they fuck up, they blame it on the applicant. Let's call. A letter saying that they closed my case because I never called, and you just heard it yourself. It's never the applicant, it's always the staff members who don't know what the fuck they're doing. Okay, so I did call. Let's go back. That was directly from New York City's HRA app that told me to call because it says I have to call, when you call, it tells you you already completed that and it hangs up the phone on you. And then later they send you a letter saying that you didn't complete a certain process, right? And so I'm back here to the dashboard where absolutely there's nothing I can do, right? Required documents, 39 documents. Why do I have 39 documents? Well, I kept uploading the same documents over and over and over and over. Identity, submitted and received. Household composition, submitted and received. Age, submitted and received. Citizenship, submitted and received. Disabled and capacitated, submitted and received. Home address, submitted and received. Identity, submitted and received. Household composition, submitted and received. Age, submitted and received. Citizenship, submitted and received. Disabled and capacitated, submitted and received. Home address, submitted and received. Identity, submitted and received. Household composition, submitted and received. Age document, submitted and received. Citizenship, submitted and received. Disabled and capacitated, submitted and received. So, who's fucking up here? Sure ain't me.